Good morning, friends. This is Victor Uniform 3, Juliet India Mike from Bangalore, Bravo, Bangalore. This is a setup for the Parrot repeater. It's working on a simplex frequency on VHF. Right now it's on 145500, a simplex repeater. Maximum, the principle is the audio on the simplex is received uh, and recorded for a maximum of 120 seconds and then replayed on the same frequency. So you will hear your own voice after a gap of 1.5 seconds, and then the intention is to extend on simplex the distance, the range will be increased. Just an experimental basis. It has been. I've been working on this. The software is freely available on the net. You can Google it and download. Pretty simple setup, and the system is connected with a digital interface made by Pratap VU3JIM. The system is connected with the external audio connectors, and also the PTT connection is taken from the serial port. And for the main radio, I'm using an FT241. It's a Kenwood 241, TM241, sorry, and an external antenna, because the cable will tell you the antenna is at the third floor. This is the interface connection for the PTT and the mic, and the external speaker connection is given to the digital interface. Pretty simple arrangement. Anyone can set it up in 5-10 minutes if you have the proper cable made. The only time which consuming stuff is the cabling part of it. So this will make a good emergency repeater. You don't have to have a duplexer. You don't have to have a special frequency allotted. You can choose whatever frequency you want at random and use. Of course, people have to get used to the recording and playback. They have to wait until the playback completes, and then they start retransmitting. This is VU3 Juliet India Mike for the simplex repeater on experimental basis. This will be left on for some time in Bangalore. Enjoy trying this repeater. It's on 145500. Maybe I will change the frequency if required. Thanks for watching. This is Victor Uniform 3 Juliet India Mike.